What's going on YouTube? I just purchased the Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute power washer, and I'm going to show you today in real time how to assemble it with all the pieces here so you could follow along when you get your new one. So the pieces that come in the box are the actual unit. You have your wand, your hose, and the power cord. The two accessories you get with this model are the turbo nozzle and a 40-degree nozzle. Sorry for all the dogs. So first, you're going to take your hose, either side, doesn't matter. Twist it into here. After that, you're going to take the other side of the hose. Plug it in, twist it into the wand. Now you're fully attached. The way you attach the nozzles is a quick release, 1/4. So you just hold it down, put it in, make sure it's in all the way, and release. And you could actually adjust it up or down, diagonal or vertical, whichever way you want to use it and spray it with. Once you've attached the nozzle to the wand, you want to plug in your hose, attach the hose, okay? No special tools or extra attachments are required. Just a normal garden hose works. After you do that, before you plug it in, you want to actually squeeze your wand trigger to get all the air out. Make sure your water is on, but the unit is not plugged in. As you can see, all the air is coming out. So you want those air bubbles, and the machine is on. Let that run for a minute, 2 minutes, sometimes up to 5, depending on if you've never used it before. As you can see, it's not sputtering anymore, so it should be good to go. Once that's done, go ahead and plug it in. Go ahead and turn on the machine. Grab your wand and start spraying. Now that we've rinsed down the car, it's time to get some suds on it. So I bought this from Amazon. It's a foam cannon by Tool Daily. It's pretty nice just because you have a larger bottle that's wider, so even with the top nozzle on top of it, it doesn't fall over, it just stays put. It's kind of just convenient. It's not really a necessity. I added 2 ounces of soap, and I'm just going to now attach it to the wand. I did take off the nozzle, which is the 40-degree one. I put it back. And so now, this quick connect, you're going to attach to the wand right here. So all you're gonna do is just snap. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Snap. There you go. Now it's good to go. Now we can throw some suds on it.